Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. Today I show you in this video very beautiful and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. Trendy ideas of low maintenance, beautiful collection of wake up and go. Trendy collection of pixie and bob in low maintenance. Eye-catching hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, black color, grey color, funky colors, and very stylish collection. I hope you like it. And must share with me which one of hairstyle choose of your next hairstyle in low maintenance. If you like my video, so don't forget to like, share and must subscribe. Because your support is very important for growing channel. I hope you must subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.